comprehensive forensic analysis of global crash safety dynamics reveals a highly uncomfortable truth for Western engineering departments. Legacy automotive safety testing is fundamentally obsolete. For decades, traditional mechanical engineering has designed vehicle structures around the rigid, predictable parameters of standardized laboratory crash tests like the Euro NCAP or the AAHS. Century-old Western manufacturers optimized their stamped steel architectures to absorb kinetic impacts at precisely 64 km per hour against deformable barriers. But this legacy paradigm treats crash safety as a mechanical compliance exercise rather than an absolute physical reality. Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers have aggressively bypassed these artificial laboratory constraints, pioneering a disruptive era of real-world impact survivability. In less than 3 years of extreme computational experimentation, China's primary automotive conglomerates did not merely optimize stamped structural cross-sections. Instead, they systematically abandoned the concept of isolated mechanical crumple zones in favor of monolithic survival cells. The modern Chinese electric vehicle is engineered under an entirely different set of physical laws, treating the chassis, the high-voltage battery enclosure, and the continuous thermal rings as a singular structural node. By deploying advanced artificial intelligence material discovery, deep multi-layered native shielding, and extreme silicon integration, these next-generation architectures actively dissipate massive kinetic energy loads that would immediately crush legacy Western unibody designs. The underlying engineering methodology is infinitely more disruptive than traditional executives can comprehend. While Western automakers continue to isolate the high-voltage storage system as a heavy, fragile payload that requires extensive external bracing, China's industrial titans have engineered platforms where the energy storage core acts directly as a primary load-bearing structural member. This is not a gradual evolution in crash structure optimization. It is a complete replacement of the automotive structural DNA. By forcing multi-ton impact vectors to flow computationally through ultra-high-strength steel frames and gigacast nodes, Chinese platforms have rendered decades of incremental mechanical redundancy entirely obsolete. To understand the sheer brute force of this structural revolution, one must examine the absolute apex of extreme mechanical stress testing. The frontal offset impact between a heavy semi-truck and the BYD Leopard 8, operating under the Fang Cheng Bao banner. In legacy body-on-frame architectures, a massive kinetic collision of this scale transfers devastating shear forces directly into the front frame rails, inevitably buckling the A-pillars, distorting the firewall, and collapsing the passenger cell. The legacy forensic outcome is immediate catastrophic failure and unrecoverable structural binding. The Leopard 8, however, completely shattered these physical limitations by deploying the native dual-mode off-road, or DMO, structural platform. The forensic secret to surviving this extreme kinetic exchange lies within the radical implementation of cell-to-chassis, or CTC, structural integration. BYD abolished the archaic methodology of mounting a secondary, deadweight battery pack inside a traditional ladder frame. Instead, the high-voltage blade battery enclosure is precision-welded directly between the massive longitudinal chassis beams, functioning actively as a high-strength structural cross-member. This monolithic vault is forged utilizing more than 80% ultra-high-strength steel, reinforced by integrated torsional webbings that achieve yield strengths exceeding 1,500 megapascals. When subjected to the immense deceleration forces of a heavy transport truck impact, the kinetic energy does not focus on the upper cabin cross members. Instead, the kinetic vector is aggressively channeled down through the native continuous lower frame rings, instantly distributed across the internal structural floor plates. The upper passenger space remains perfectly preserved, displaying flawless nanometer-scale panel gap alignments and allowing all 4 doors to open effortlessly post-impact without the slightest mechanical binding. While legacy off-road platforms suffer permanent frame warping and catastrophic passenger intrusion under equivalent dynamic loads, the Leopard 8 proves definitively that structural integration, not just isolated front crumple zones, dictates ultimate real-world impact survivability. A forensic evaluation of extreme side impact dynamics exposes the historical vulnerability of legacy passenger platforms, the absolute mechanical dependency on a fixed, vertical B-pillar. Side impact intrusions represent the most lethal dynamic load scenarios because the vehicle possesses virtually no physical distance to dissipate kinetic energy before the impacting object breaches the passenger survival space. Traditional engineering dictates that eliminating a fixed B-pillar inherently destroys structural integrity. Yet, the Zeekr architecture completely bypassed this physical limitation, delivering an uncompromising side impact matrix that humiliates dedicated Western luxury sedans and dedicated utility vehicles alike. The breakthrough structural anomaly centers on the deployment of a dynamic, virtual B-pillar integrated directly within the framework of the massive dual sliding doors. Rather than relying on a static central post welded to the floorboards, Zeekr engineered dual internal cylindrical reinforcement beams forged from advanced hot-formed steel. These hidden structural internal members exhibit a staggering ultimate tensile strength exceeding 2,000 megapascals. When the doors engage their synchronized electronic closure cycles, precision-machined multi-point interlocking forged steel latches anchor the door frames directly into the reinforced roof rails and the deep gigacast lower side sills. The mechanical result is a continuous, unbroken structural ring that transforms the side profile of the vehicle into an impenetrable shear wall. During aggressive side pole impacts and heavy dynamic sled strikes, the lateral kinetic energy vector is instantly transferred away from the central cabin space, distributed evenly across the massive upper and lower continuous frame structures. This advanced load path mapping completely prevents the localized cabin buckling and severe internal occupant intrusion that plagues traditional unibody platforms, proving that highly synchronized dynamic structural latching can outperform fixed static mechanical pillars. Migrating to pure unibody architectures reveals an equally aggressive level of computational refinement within the Chery E0X Platform, demonstrated flawlessly by the 5-star Euro NCAP execution of the Exlantix ES. In standard passenger car manufacturing, high-speed dynamic rollovers and extreme vertical roof crush scenarios expose the fatal structural latencies of spot-welded upper pillars. Legacy vehicles frequently suffer complete roof arch collapse when subjected to static loads exceeding 3 times their own curb weight. The Exlantix ES abolished this structural vulnerability by integrating continuous, unbroken internal safety cage rings formed from highly advanced aluminum silicon extrusion alloys. The foundational base of this platform relies on ultra-high pressure, rear gigacasting nodes that eliminate dozens of individual stamped components, completely removing internal weld seams that act as natural stress concentration points during violent kinetic events. By fusing the rear subframe directly into the primary lower floor structure, the platform establishes a perfectly rigid lower foundation. This allows the ultra-high strength steel A-pillars and C-pillars to operate with absolute mechanical efficiency. When subjected to immense multi-ton vertical drop tests or heavy static container loads directly onto the panoramic upper structure, the dynamic force is split instantly into parallel load paths. The kinetic energy flows smoothly down the continuous side roof rails, bypassing the fragile central glass structure entirely and dissipating safely into the massive lower gigacast side sills. The vehicle structure achieves an astonishing static crush resistance metric, preserving vital internal head clearance and ensuring that integrated electronic door release actuators remain uncompromised. This forensic execution guarantees that occupant egress remains fully functional immediately following catastrophic kinetic events, proving that continuous structural alloy rings are the ultimate line of defense against unibody mechanical deformation. The ultimate nightmare scenario for electric vehicle safety engineering occurs not during exterior body panel impacts, but during high-speed underbody shear strikes. When a vehicle travels at highway velocities over sharp, heavy debris, the resulting vertical point load impact acts like a direct kinetic blade, slicing through legacy lightweight aluminum belly pans, puncturing individual lithium-ion cell pouches, and triggering immediate, uncontrollable thermal runaway. Geely completely neutralized this fatal vulnerability by deploying its highly advanced Aegis structural safety matrix, creating an impenetrable multi-layered defensive shield directly beneath the floorboards. The engineering architecture functions as directly above this ballistic-grade outer skin lies an advanced composite buffer layer, featuring woven carbon fiber matrices embedded with specialized energy-absorbing elastomeric resins. If an extreme kinetic point load manages to breach the primary steel layer, this composite matrix instantly delaminates under controlled parameters, spreading the localized kinetic energy outward across a massive surface area before it can reach the internal cooling channels. To establish absolute thermal immunity, the internal battery modules are encased within individual structural compartments lined with highly advanced aerogel thermal insulation blankets. Even if an extreme physical intrusion test forcibly deforms the lower structural housing, these localized thermal barriers completely isolate the affected cells, preventing the spread of internal short circuits and eliminating chain reaction thermal propagation. The Aegis architecture proves conclusively that ultimate electric vehicle safety requires native underfloor ballistic mitigation, rendering unshielded legacy platforms entirely vulnerable to real-world mechanical degradation. The definitive paradigm shift that explains exactly how Chinese engineering has rewritten the boundaries of crash survivability lies within the integration of predictive computational safety networks, demonstrated at the highest level by the NIO-ET7. Traditional automotive safety systems are purely reactionary. They rely on physical inertia sensors to detect an impact after mechanical deformation has already begun, firing pyrotechnic seatbelt tensioners and airbags fractions of a millisecond after the outer chassis has already yielded to the kinetic strike. NIO abolished this dangerous mechanical latency by subordinating structural execution directly to real-world artificial intelligence processing. Commanding this central nervous system is an ultra-dense sensor array featuring high-definition, roof-mounted LiDAR units and continuous optical cameras feeding data directly into a localized supercomputer operating at hundreds of tera operations per second. The vehicle does not passively await physical contact. Instead, the computational matrix continuously executes predictive trajectory modeling, identifying unavoidable kinetic impacts milliseconds before physical deformation occurs. Upon confirming an imminent strike vector, the native operating system fires immediate digital commands across the high-speed internal bus networks to prepare the vehicle's physical defense subsystems. In an astonishing display of synchronized software execution, the active air suspension instantly adjusts internal chamber pressures to dynamically alter the vehicle's ride height and pitch angle, deliberately aligning the chassis so the incoming object strikes the absolute strongest section of the ultra-high-strength steel frame rails. Simultaneously, electric reversible seatbelt pretensioners lock the occupants into their optimal spatial coordinates, while internal cabin cross valves close to maintain absolute structural rigidity. Software execution has officially transformed passive mechanical safety into an active, real-time computational shield. A comprehensive forensic summary of China's multi-platform structural dominance reveals a highly unforgiving industrial reality for the traditional rulers of the global automotive market. What the international landscape is witnessing is not merely the production of highly efficient electric powertrains or advanced infotainment arrays. It is the absolute consolidation of an apex predator operating under superior structural laws. a legacy manufacturer that relies on isolated third-party engineering firms to design modular crumple zones, will simply never achieve this velocity of unified, monolithic structural integration. Chinese engineering has successfully closed the industrial loop. They control the proprietary rear gigacasting processes that eliminate internal weld latencies, the ballistic-grade cell-to-chassis architectures forged from 1,500 megapascal steel, the dynamic virtual side pillars that break lateral shear physics, and the native supercomputing arrays that predictively configure the chassis milliseconds before impact. The underdog sector, that once struggled to achieve basic structural compliance, has engineered an industrial matrix entirely immune to the mechanical compromises of the past. For the rest of the automotive world, the warning is permanently etched into the high-strength steel frames of these new platforms. The era of designing vehicles merely to pass standardized laboratory crash tests is definitively over. In the real world of heavy dynamic loads and unpredictable kinetic energy vectors, any global automaker that lacks absolute control over its structural metallurgy, its predictive software, and its native battery integration will be rapidly swept into the dustbin of automotive history.